Hi everyone, let's go through this one. Find where these pairs of curves meet again, or meet. Give answer in exact form using algebraic method. Graphics calculator may help, but we're not going to use them for the purpose of this question. So it can be used just to check the answers, but we're going to show it algebraically. We do know when two lines are meeting that, like this one, two lines are meeting, they are actually equal here. So by saying that, we can say that this function here, y1, we can label y1, and this one here we can label 2, y2. If they're going to meet, it means that y1 is equal to y2. By saying that, now we can actually equate them. X to the power of 2 is equal to 4x take away 1. And using all these methods that we have seen before, move everything to one side and then equal to 0. I'm not going to go through all these steps, so I'm just going to move 4x to this side. It's going to give me negative 4x, so it's going to change the sign. Then I'm going to move negative 1 to this side, and it's going to change the sign, and it's going to be positive. Then it's positive 1 and equal to 0. Now, solving, it could be, graphics calculator, as I said, that would be the best and fastest, but we're going to use algebra. So we're going to use actually quadratic formula. So a is 1, b is negative 4, coefficient of x, and c constant is equal to 1. And we will substitute this into quadratic equation. I'm just going to have it here quickly, quadratic formula. So what is it? Just there, yep, 2a. And now we're going to substitute. So x is equal to, b is negative 4, but we already have negative sign there. So therefore, we're going to have positive 4 here, plus minus b to the power of 2 is negative 4 to the power of 2. Don't forget the brackets. And then take away 4 times a, which is 1, and times c, which is 1 as well. And then everything 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Equal to 4 plus minus, let's simplify this. Negative 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Take away 4 times 1 times 1, it's 4, and divided by 2. And then this is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 12 and divided by 2. It does look a bit nasty, but I'm going to go with a few more steps, and I'm going to do 4 plus minus, and 12 can be written as 4 times 3, and then 2 equal to 4 plus minus, and this part here can be written like this. So 2, and then 4 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 3 and over 2. So I'm just going to move up here, just there, to continue, just here. And it's going to be x is equal to, we can see here now that 2 is common for both terms. I'm going to take 2 out, then 2 is left plus square root of 3 divided by 2. That's going to simplify 2. 2 is gone, is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. So this is one solution for x. And then other x is going to be, we're going to do the same, take 2 in front, 2, then 2 is left. And now instead of plus, we're going to choose, we're going to write minus. So let's go back to the same, minus square root of 3 divided by 2. And again, 2 cancel out. So the other value of x is going to be 2 take away square root of 3. So, and they said in exact form here. So this is exact answer. So we're not gonna simplify this any further. Now we do have the x coordinates. So one x is 2 plus square root of 3, and another one is x to take away square root of 3. So we need to find the y coordinates of this point where these curves are going to meet. So we need to substitute this x into an equation. So which one we're going to choose? It doesn't make any difference. So because they are equal at that point anyway. So usually I'm looking for one that it does look much easier. This time I think it's y equal x to the power of 2. I'm just going to go y equal x. Instead of x, I'm going to have all of this to the power of 2. And then x is equal to take away square root of 3, everything to the power of 2. That's it. I'm not going to simplify this. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Maybe just rewrite at this point. One point is 2 plus square root of 3. They're not very nice numbers, but that's fine. So, and other point is 2 take away square root of 3, and y coordinate is just this. Beautiful. So we have 2 points where these curves are gonna meet. Thank you. Bye.